Colorwell's strongest ever hairspray. It's just been sent to me. We're gonna put it to the test the Chris Appleton way. I'm gonna spray one side with the Colorwell and another side with a competitor hairspray. Only this side has the Colorwell hairspray. This side is a competitor. First of all, hat test. We're gonna see if it can withstand a little bit of cowbell action. This actually looks really hot. It's been 15 minutes, let's see if it passed the test. Oh my God, okay, so this side is still big and bouncy, and this side, you see guys, get up a bit closer, it's kind of gone a little bit flat. All right, next up, wind machine. We need to know it can withstand wind. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, this is totally different. It still has so much hold, it's still flexible. This side is looking a little dead. All right, one last test. The hair flip test. Wow, that is insane. Texas Hold'em makes a big difference. The proof, and Chris Appleton approved.